Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This video is about Revolver Nagan, which was Russian sidearm until 1930 or 1933, depending which model of the Tokarev or TT we talk about. This was the last Russian imperial sidearm. The model that the Soviets or the USSR or whatever you want to call it produced was equivalent to the Russian imperial officer's model. The officer's model is double and single action. The soldier model was single action only. You could not cock the hammer automatically by squeezing the trigger. Again, this model is famous by the fact that it is able to bring the chambers next to the barrel itself so that there is no space where the gas could come out. Thus, you could actually put a cannon or suppressor or silencer, whatever you want to call it, on this revolver successfully. And it's not going to have an extra flash and an extra sound. Makes it for very quiet, very quiet, suppressed firearm. Also, the ammo itself I don't have to show, but the bullets were inside the case, which made it even better for the suppressed model. It is chambered in 7.62 by 38. Nagan revolvers were of Belgian design by Nagan, who was a Belgian gun maker, and the diameter of the barrel was 7.62, just like the Mosin rifle, that is 7.62 by 54 Russian. This was 7.62 by 38 Russian. The Tokarev that came to replace it is 7.62 by 25 Russian, but actually much more powerful, even though smaller. Let's take a look at the basic field disassembly of this firearm. Rotate and pull. Rotate to the side, making sure you leave enough space to remove the pole holding the ammo chambers. I'm losing my English, I'm losing my Russian. Look at the technology that allows it to be pushed forward. There is a spring inside which can be removed, and that is the mechanism that allows this gun to work differently. It is a very simple firearm in comparison and very easy to take apart and put back once you know the trick. To put it back, just press on it. I usually close the gate, pull the holding item back, make sure it's aligned correctly. Make sure nothing gets in the way until it clicks. Put this back, push in, rotate until it stops, and you're done. Again, single action, double action. You could theoretically reload by removing the whole assembly. I'm losing it completely. In Russian, this is called baraban. This is called, in Russian again, in US we call it a trigger. In Russian, a спусковой крючок. Barrel, ствол. This is a hammer, курок in Russian. Grips, рукоятка. Frame. In this case, this is a frame that is not separated in any ways. Рамка or rama. Front side, мушка. Rear side, целик. Very rudimentary at that. This gun was supposed to be functional up to 50 meters, in reality probably half that at best, and could have been suppressed if you actually add extra threads on the end of the barrel, such as people do in US. That's about it. I'm not going to open the grips or any of that stuff that YouTube can pick on. Thank you for watching. I hope this was in some ways interesting.